LingQ app. The pros, the cons. If you're learning a new language, LingQ promises an immersive, interactive approach, but is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is its focus on real-world content. Most people get this wrong by assuming language apps rely only on flashcards or grammar drills. LingQ uses articles, podcasts, and videos in your target language, allowing you to learn vocabulary and grammar in context. Another advantage is personalized learning. The app tracks the words you know and suggests content tailored to your level. You can highlight unknown words, save them as links, and review them later, building a custom vocabulary over time. LingQ also supports multiple languages, making it suitable whether you're learning Spanish, Japanese, or Portuguese. It offers pronunciation guides, audio playback, and community features to practice with other learners, enhancing both reading and listening skills. However, there are cons. Some users find the interface cluttered, and the app may feel overwhelming at first due to the abundance of content options. Free features are limited, and premium subscriptions are required to unlock full audio and tracking capabilities. Additionally, speaking practice is less structured compared to dedicated tutors or language exchanges. In conclusion, LingQ is a strong tool for immersive, self-paced language learning. The surprising truth is that while it excels in reading and listening, active speaking practice may require additional resources. For learners who want to expand vocabulary and comprehension through real-world content, LingQ is highly effective, but pair it with speaking opportunities for a complete language learning experience.